Chapter 8 Fractions. Warm-up time. Observe the following shapes and their fractions. Learning time. Here is a watermelon. It has been cut into two parts. Look at these two parts. Are these two parts equal? No. The two parts of the watermelon are unequal. Here is another watermelon. It has been cut into two parts. Observe these two parts. Are these two parts equal? Yes, the two parts of the watermelon are equal. Fractions of a whole object. 1/2. What do you observe from the figures? In each figure, there are two equal parts. One of them is shaped. Each part is called half. It is written as 1/2 and read as 1/2. 1/4. What do you see in the figure? In each figure, there are four equal parts. One of them is shaded. The shaded portion is called 1/4. It is written as 1/4 and read as 1/4. 3/4. What do you see in the following figures? In each figure, there are four equal parts. Three among them are shaded. So, the shaded portion represents 3/4. It is written as 3/4 and read as 3/4. Fraction is a part of collection. Consider the following example. There are four kites. Three are red. So 3/4 of kites are red. Activity 1. A. Write the fraction of the shaded. Activity 1. A. Write the fraction of the shaded portions. B. Color the figures to show the given fractions. C. Write the fractions and read them aloud. Writing a fraction. The numbers 1/2, 1/3, 1/4 and 3/4 are fractional numbers. Fraction is equals to numerator, parts being talked about, denominator, number of equal parts in all. In the above examples, the numerators and denominators are fractions, numerator, denominator. 1, 1/2, numerator 1, denominator 2. 2, 1/3, numerator 1, denominator 3. 3, 1/4, numerator 1, denominator 4. 4, 3/4, numerator 3, denominator 4. Activity 2. A. Write the fractions. 1/3, 1/4, 1/6, 2/3, 2/5, 4/5. B. Write the numerators and denominators of the fractions. 1, 2/3. Numerator is equals to, denominator is equals to. 2, 3/4. Numerator is equals to, denominator is equals to. 3, 2/5. Numerator is equals to, denominator is equals to. 4, 5/8. Numerator is equals to, denominator is equals to. 5, 7/9. Numerator is equals to, denominator is equals to. 6, 5/6. Numerator is equals to, denominator is equals to. 7, 2/7. Numerator is equals to, denominator is equals to. 8, 1/8. Numerator is equals to, denominator is equals to. C. Write the fractions with the given numerators and denominators. Numerator 1, denominator 5. Numerator 3, denominator 4. Numerator 2, denominator 5. Numerator 3, denominator 8. Numerator 5, denominator 6. Numerator 8, denominator 9. Numerator 4, denominator 7. Fractions on the number line. Example, show 1/2 and 1/3 on the number line. Let us take the marked length on this number line as 1 unit. Divide it into two equal parts. 0 by 2 is equals to 0. This means 0 out of 2 equal parts are not. 1 by 2. This means 1 out of 2 equal parts. 2 by 2. This means 2 out of 2 equal parts or the whole. Look at some more examples. 1 by 4, 3 by 5, 3 by 8, 1 by 2, 5 by 6, 7 by 10. Activity 3. Write fractions for the following. Equivalent fractions. What do the fractions in example 1 have in common? Example 1, 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8. Each fraction in example 1 represents the same number. These fractions are equivalent fractions. Definition: equivalent fractions are different fractions that name the same number. The fractions 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 4 by 8 are equivalent since each represents the same number. Let's look at some more examples of equivalent fractions. Example 2. 2 by 3, 4 by 6. The fractions 2 by 3 and 4 by 6 are equivalent. 2/3 is equivalent to 4/6. Activity 4. A. Write the next equivalent fraction. 1. 2 by 7, 4 by 14, 6 by 21. 2. 3 by 4, 6 by 8, 9 by 12. 3. 2 by 5, 4 by 10, 6 by 15. 4. 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6.
Compare the following fractions by using the symbol greater or smaller or equal. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order. Arrange the following fractions in descending order.
Make equivalent fractions. Adding fractions. There are three simple steps to add fractions. Step 1. Make sure the bottom numbers, the denominators, are the same. Step 2. Adding fractions. There are three simple steps to add fractions. Step 1. Make sure the bottom numbers, the denominators, are the same. Step 2. Add the top numbers, the numerators. Put the answer over the denominator. Step 3. Simplify the fraction if needed. Example 1. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Step 1. The bottom numbers, the denominators, are already the same. Go straight to step 2. Step 2. Add the top numbers and put the answer over the same denominator. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equals to 1 plus 1 by 4 is equals to 2 by 4. Step 3. Simplify the fraction. 2 by 4 is equals to 1 by 2. In the picture form, it looks like this. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equals to 2 by 4 is equals to 2 by 4. And do you see how 2 by 4 is simpler as 1 by 2? Example 2. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Step 1. The bottom numbers are different. See how the slices are of different sizes. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 is equals to. We need to make them the same before we can continue because we can't add them like that. The number 6 is twice as big as 3. So to make the bottom numbers the same, we can multiply the top and the bottom of the first fraction by 2 like this. Important. You multiply both top and bottom by the same amount to keep the value of the fraction the same. Now the fractions have the same bottom number 6 and our question looks like this. 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6. The bottom numbers are now the same. So we can go to step 2. Step 2. Add the top numbers and put them over the same denominator. 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is equals to 2 plus 1 by 6 is equals to 3 by 6. In picture form, it looks like this. 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is equals to 3 by 6. Step 3. Simplify the fraction. 3 by 4 is equals to 1 by 2. In picture form, the whole answer looks like this. 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is equals to 3 by 6 is equals to 1 by 2. Subtracting fractions. There are 3 simple steps to subtract fractions. Step 1. Make sure the bottom numbers, the denominators, are the same. Step 2. Subtract the top numbers, the numerators. Put the answer over the same denominator. Step 3. Simplify the fraction if needed. Example 1. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Step 1. The bottom numbers are already the same. Go straight to step 2. Step 2. Subtract the top numbers and put the answer over the same denominator. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 3 minus 1 by 4 is equals to 2 by 4. Step 3. Simplify the fraction. 2 by 4 is equals to 1 by 2. Example 2. Step 1. The bottom numbers are different. See how the slices are of different sizes. We need to make them the same before we can continue, because we can't subtract them like this. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6 is equals to. To make the bottom numbers the same, multiply the top and bottom of the first fraction 1 by 2 by 3 like this. And now our question looks like this. 3 by 6 minus 1 by 6. The bottom numbers, the denominators, are the same. So we can go to step 2. Step 2. Subtract the top numbers and put the answer over the same denominator. 3 by 6 minus 1 by 6 is equals to 3 minus 1 by 6 equal to 2 by 6. In picture form, it looks like this. 3 by 6 minus 1 by 6 is equals to 2 by 6. Add the following like fractions. The following subtractions. Word problems. Raju has left 15 by 22 of his money. He spends 1 by 22 of his money again. Find the part of money left with him. Raju got 6 by 10 of total marks and Rani got 7 by 10 of the total marks. Who got better marks and how much more? 6. Mohini paints 2 by 11 of a cloth in green and 9 by 11 in blue. How much more did she paint in blue? 7. Mohan has 2 by 5 cup of peanuts and 1 by 3 cup of dried cherries. How many cups of food does he have? 8. Jose has 1 by 2 kilogram of beets and 3 by 8 kilogram of tomatoes. How many more kilograms of beets than tomatoes does he have? 9. Roja had a chocolate. She ate 3 by 8 of it and gave 5 by 8 of it to Rani. Who ate more and by how much? Maths lab activity. Take a sheet of paper and cut it round as shown. Fold it and form 2 halves. Again fold it, form 2 halves as shown. Unfold the sheet. Look at the 4 quarters of the sheet. Find out the fractions 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4.